This 2025 Winnebago Forza 38W is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, water heater, refrigerator, skylight, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.